of stuff is being misused, and I think it's important for me as a person to understand my contribution towards it all. I know it might sound small, it might sound big, it might just sound abnormal, because why? How would someone as ordinary as me contribute to the sustainability of the planet or of this world, or even fact, I think that the biggest thing is that human life.
Okay.
I think that along with the planet, the world, and human life, there is a big collaboration or a togetherness in order for the rhythm or the pulse of this planet to move together, you know, and it is. There's just a language or communication that happens in the TRI. I think that one of the best puzzle pieces is the identification, that I think that is a thread into the awakening or the awareness of self.
Yeah, so awakened self is definitely a big, and that's really one of our big ones. Eh?
Yeah.
Awakened self, yes.
Because also in relatable or in conjunction or working together with the we, I think that if I cannot awaken within myself, then it's different to understand others, or that there is such an aspect of behaviors that change happens within me. So now it's definitely open to the possibility that others can, we can also change. So that kind of like brings that, or prepares me for that collaboration when it one day happens, because when it happens with I first, and then I am open or in prep for the bigger collaboration.
Absolutely. Hey, so awakening self, the toolkit, the identification, the ownership, a big one. Because we are the responsible individual here, so we help people identify and step into that ownership. So they also begin to really step into project me. Hey? So this project of self, hey, it becomes a project me, a project of self. Because that's an ongoing project, because we keep getting hijacked by our inner consumerism, right? We keep being drawn to stuff because that's what we've learned for many, many years.
At all times we need to just check where I'm standing now. I'm not being hijacked. That's right.
Absolutely, yeah. So awakened self, but also that there's almost like a bigger, it's for well-being, right? There's kind of this because, okay, so why should I awaken self? It's much easier not to awaken. Why would we awaken? Then I don't need to take care of all of this. I can eat whatever I want. I can.
I only live once.
Yeah, I only live once. We have lots of those. Hey, hashtag.
Yeah, that's good. That sounds important.
Hey, so but we are really in the business of well-being. But it's definitely a big chunk of the population is at risk to be diverted into criminal behavior, corrupt behavior, behaviors that are not serving the we. So is it important, would we say, if we want to build, the world needs conscious leaders, are we building conscious leaders? Are we a puzzle piece in building a conscious leader?
Definitely.
Okay, because we open them to more awareness, they begin to identify those pieces, they get exposed to more. And that maybe we should even think even more about that. So also think about, here it comes, your responsibility. You are at the forefront. You are at the forefront where it happens. You got them right there. What are you doing with it? Are you going to miss out on that opportunity? It's again what we spoke about yesterday, being acutely attuned to where those people are, our clients,
Yes.
and helping them and being our best. So doing this